Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. By the title of this video, I will be waxing my arms for the very first time. I've never waxed my arms. I've had other areas waxed. However, I've never waxed my arms. So you guys will be watching me do that today. I want to give a huge thank you to our sponsor today, TRESS Wellness. Reached out to me and of course they offered me their new wax set to try. So I do want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. I want you guys to just stick around to the end, of course, so you can get my feedback. I did also like wax my boyfriend's chin. He was like really invested. So you guys will see that in the video. Yeah, just stay around for the end for me to go ahead and let you know how I feel about this product. Once you receive your package, you will get it in a big, pretty purple box. It will include your warmer, your wax beads. I believe you get a choice of 5 different wax beads. You have peppermint, tea tree, lavender, and eucalyptus. In addition to the beads, you get 2 sprays, a pre-wax and an after-wax spray, as well as 2 different size sticks for your wax. I was going through the different beads to see if there was really a smell to them. Honestly, there was no smell between the different wax beads. Even when I melted the beads down, there was no specific smell to the beads. So they all pretty much smelled the same. I'm assuming maybe the color is the reason why they had different names. I'm not sure, but I ended up going with the tea tree one. You want to pour the entire bag of wax beads into the pot, and you want to make sure your temperature is very high to ensure that the beads are melting as necessary. So I left mine on 200. You can leave it up higher, but I stayed at 200. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you want to make sure you turn your wax down so that it isn't so hot on the skin, to allow the wax to also thicken up as well so that you can use it as necessary. You don't want it to be too liquidy or it isn't going to work. You always want to make sure that you test the product out on your hand, on your arm. You don't want to do too much of this. You just want to make sure that it's nice and warm and it's not too hot. So before I started the process on my arms, I went ahead and sprayed my arm down with the pre-wax, and then you'll see me towel it dry. I'm not the best at laying wax, y'all, so don't judge me, okay? But this is me pretty much laying the wax on my arm. It was a great temperature. You want to give it a few minutes. I'll say like 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that the wax hardens up so that you can rip it off. This is the end result of my arm after I sprayed that after wax, you guys. Look at the difference, okay? It just looks so much lighter and better on one side versus the other side that is quite hairy. So I was absolutely stunned. This product works. Here's me waxing my boyfriend's chin here. I was so shocked that he wanted to go through this. I didn't quite understand why, but he wanted me to go ahead and try it out. And like I said, y'all, I am not the best at laying wax, so do not judge me. But you guys will see that this product was just as effective on me as it is him. It took off a lot of his hair. It honestly made his chin look so much better, and it was just overall a great experience. So yeah, excuse the way I look, y'all, but honestly, as you can see from this strip, like it took out a lot of hair. And according to him, he said it did not hurt, but you know, who knows. With that being said, you guys, I absolutely love this warmer. First of all, we cannot beat the affordability of this product. It's only $40 on Amazon. I will be sure to link it below. I have a lot of positive reviews here about this product. The warmer is very insulated. I don't know why I had such a fear of the warmer being too hot to touch, but it is a great insulated warmer. So no matter how high you are heating your wax, or if you even have it on the highest setting, the warmer itself is not going to be like hot to touch or anything like that. It did its job. As you guys can see, I had hairy arms. Okay, I'm telling you right now, my arms look absolutely stunning. I absolutely love how this product made my arms feel. I think the before spray and the after spray was just a great addition to this package, because honestly, it leaves your skin nice, shiny, and glowy. And then of course, it makes the waxing part a little more easier to maintain, because we all know waxing, girl, it hurt. However, using the before wax made a very big difference in allowing the product to glide off the skin and just not be so rough. Overall, I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and check this out. If you're opening a salon, if your boyfriend likes to get waxed, it is Father's Day. As you can see, you know, some men enjoy to get waxed, so be sure to purchase this for your husband, for your brother, for your mother. Honestly, anyone can utilize this wax kit. And I want to once again thank TRESS Wellness for sponsoring today's video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will see you guys later.